In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply rock nail art skins. First, apply a base gel over a white colour nail and cure for 30 seconds. Cut out the skins you would like to apply and set them aside. Now we flip the skin over and apply a damp paper towel and press lightly for about 30 to 60 seconds. Simply slide the backing off and pick the skin up with a piece of cling wrap or a sandwich bag. Position the skin over the nail and press down. You can remove the cling wrap when ready. And just work your way around the nail, adjusting the skin to sit flat on the nail tip. Pay particular attention to the edges and make sure they are smooth and wrinkle-free. Then you can flash cure for 10 to 30 seconds. Next, we're going to remove the excess skin from the nail. Holding the nail at a 90-degree angle, we're going to buff down using the sponge buffer and work your way around the nail until all the excess skin comes away. Using isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, we're just going to lightly brush isopropyl alcohol over the whole nail tip and set aside to dry for a minute or two. Another coat of base gel completely encapsulates the skin onto the nail. And of course, cure for 30 seconds. Moving on to the next nails, we're going to just coat them all with the base gel and cure for 30 seconds. Prepare our skins by cutting out the correct hand that we'd like. Continue on applying the skins until all our nails are done. Now your skins are ready to personalise with bling or glitter. A final top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And your gorgeous nails are ready to wear. Our nail art skins are available exclusively from Rock Nails or NSI Australia. Thanks for watching.